Most people have to drive hours and hike miles to get what this property offers right here in the front yard. Imagine coming home every day from a long day at work, passing that beautiful creek I just showed you, winding down this long paved driveway back to a cabin in the woods with over 14 acres of land. A lot of people really say they have a house hidden in the woods, but this one definitely has that. If you're looking for a property that truly feels like you're on vacation every time you're home, you've got to check out 1850 Fleehop Road here in Eclectic, Alabama.